Good morning, boys and girls. Happy snow day for the third day in a row. I am going to review a little bit of order of operations, and we're going to practice that again today. I know yesterday some of you were having trouble when we were talking about it on our class Zoom. So I want you to pay attention to my board that I have set up here. And if you notice, I have our reminder here. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, reminding us what we do first. So first of all, we do P stands for parentheses. So we would do anything in parentheses first. And I mentioned yesterday that the parentheses is kind of like the line leader. If you have parentheses in an equation, which is a math problem, you will always do that first. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And then we bring the times sign down and the 3. And then we solve 9 times 3. Remember, if you don't know how to solve 9 times 3, you could do 9 plus 9 plus 9. You could add 3 9 times. Or you could make an array that has 9 rows with 3 objects in each row and count all of those. You can also skip count by 3s to get to 9. So 9 times 3 is 27. So the answer is 27. That's the first one. Now we're going to do a different one, and I'm going to remind you of a couple other things. This one's a little bit more difficult. It's 15 minus 6 divided by 9 plus 5. So I'll give you a minute just to look at that. Think in your mind what you would do first. I hope you said parentheses, right? So parentheses is first. So we do 15 minus 6, which is 9. And then we bring down our divided sign and our plus 5. So if we're looking at our chart to help us, or you can check out the anchor chart on these slides. Please stands for parentheses. Excuse stands for exponents. My multiplication, which we don't have. All we have left is division and addition. And then next is D division. So we're going to do division next. 9 divided by 9. If I have 9 things and I divide them into 9 groups, I'm going to have one object in each group. So 1, and then I bring down the plus sign and the 5. And then the last thing I have to do, AND stands for adding. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So that's the answer for that one. Okay. We're going to try 2 more together. The next one is 8 minus 2 times 3. Now, if you notice, we do not have any parentheses or exponents. The next thing we have is multiplication. So we're going to do the multiplying first. So I'm going to do 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to bring the 8 down and the subtract sign. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So that's our answer for that one. Remember, you're always going to follow this. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally to help you know which operations you should do first. And when I'm talking about operations, I'm talking about adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. All right, and the last one I'm going to do with you is 15 minus 8 plus 6. Now, when you have only addition and subtraction, you're just going to work from left to right. So I know in this saying, we have Aunt Sally, but really those two can kind of work together. If you just have addition and subtraction, you're just going to work from the left part of the problem to the right part of the problem. So 15 minus 8 would be our first thing that we're going to solve. So 15 minus 8 is 7, then the plus sign, and 6. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. All right. So for today, you are going to go through the slides, and I have the anchor chart on here to help you remember what you're supposed to do first. And then you're going to just solve each problem. And in the box, you will click where the question mark is, backspace, and type your answer. If you have any questions, I'll be available on Zoom today at 11 o'clock. You can also email me and let me know what you need help with. Have a great day and enjoy the snow.